Hi, and welcome to the MKH NxT Gen portal. Let's explore how Collaborator users can request inspections using the MKH NxT Gen application. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the complete process step by step. First, a Collaborator user must be added to the MKH NxT Gen application. If you're not already a collaborator, you'll need to request the NxT Gen admin to create or add you as a collaborator and grant you access to specific projects. For this walkthrough, we've already created a sample project and added our test collaborator user. Let's log in and see how the workflow works. This is the application dashboard. Here, users can view various metrics and activities specific to their role and the projects they're assigned to. Now, click the Facilities tab. Here, you'll see all the facilities you have access to, based on the projects you're assigned. Let's open our test facility. As before, the projects associated with this facility will appear, but only those you're assigned to. This is the dedicated dashboard for our selected project. On the left, you'll find a menu bar with all the relevant options for this project and user. At the bottom of the menu options, click the Inspections button. You'll see a list of existing inspections. Let's create a new one. At the bottom of the screen, click the plus button to initiate a new inspection. A pop-up will appear, showing all the plan sheets available for this project. Choose a sheet by clicking the radio button next to it. Then, click the Selected Sheet button to proceed. The selected sheet opens in the drawing board. On the left, you'll see a toolbox. At the bottom of the toolbox, find the inspection tool marked by a helmet icon. Click the helmet icon, then click again on the sheet where you want to place the inspection. After placing the helmet icon, a panel on the right will open automatically for you to fill in the inspection details. If you need to move the helmet icon, simply select the hand icon from the toolbox, then click and drag the helmet to the correct location. Notice that a small portion of the sheet is zoomed in where the helmet icon is placed. Now, fill in the required details for the inspection. Most importantly, select one or more inspectors. If no inspector names appear, it means no inspectors have been assigned to this project yet. After filling in the details, click the Save button. Awesome! You've successfully created an inspection request. An email notification will be sent to the assigned inspectors. Inspectors can then add comments, note exceptions, or request corrections. All updates are tracked within the inspection request, and notifications will appear in the application. Collaborators can also add comments to keep all necessary discussions in one place. Once the inspection is complete, the assigned inspectors can accept or reject the request. The updated status will be reflected on the inspection list page. You can generate a report for any inspection. Simply check the box next to the inspection, then click the Generate Report button at the top. You can also send the report directly by email from here. Here's what a sample report looks like. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more feature walkthroughs.